we're gonna be making our way to Magic Auto Shine. They are our sponsors for the vinyl, and you know, I got a new part. I'm not gonna say what it is, but I want to wrap it the same color as the car. So we're gonna go ahead and check if they have, you know, extra vinyl laying around. Hopefully they do. We can buy some off of them or something like that. But God knows if they're open. They're usually open, but you know, for whatever reason, the times that I've been there, a couple like months ago, they've been closed. So hopefully this time they're open. But you know, as far as all of that, let's go ahead and go to Magic Auto Shine, and then afterwards we can unbox what I got for the car, which is gonna be great, and I can't wait. So let's go. I have that little surprise I told you guys about. We're about to install it, but first we have to take all the balloons out here, because yeah, I did you know, turn 20 actually today as I'm filming the video, and you know, my family actually, you know, did a little surprise for me, which I'm super thankful for. You know, shout out to my family, they did this. But we gotta flip the Camaro around, gotta, you know, start taking the bumper off, and yeah, you guys, I can't wait to show you guys what I got. Or actually, let me show you guys what I got as soon as I turn the Camaro over. So we got another cold startup. Okay guys, so in 3, 2. There you guys have it. We finally got the ZL1 1LE front bumper fascia for the Camaro SS here, or AKA Shadow. You know, that was a surprise that you guys, you know, we're gonna be waiting for, and I can't wait to show you how it's gonna look on the car. That's why I put them side by side. That way you can take a nice look. And just with that being said, you guys, we got the bumper all wrapped, all nice and neat, ready to be installed onto the Camaro. So without further ado, let's go ahead and show you guys how to uninstall it, or you know, the final result. So we pop this baby open right here. There's a little latch right here, obviously. Open that right there. And there's gonna be, in total, I believe it's 4 bolts. There's one right here that goes upward, and then there's another one right here, and 2 more that is right here, and then the last and final one here, right next to the fender. I don't know if you guys can see it here on the camera, but it's that one right there, And yeah, you guys are gonna have to undo those. You guys are gonna have to undo all of these in order for you to be able to take out your front fascia. And then as well as the bottom here, you got a lot more bolts that I actually don't have on the car right now, but you are gonna have to have those off in order for you to remove the bumper fascia from the little plastic underneath. So let's go ahead and get that started, and we'll be on our way. So yeah, let me go ahead and film the bumper on the car and show you guys how the transformation of the car is going so far. And I'm super excited to finally bring you guys something, you know, a little different, and instead of, you know, putting just like a sticker or something small like that. So without further ado, you guys, you know, I guess Shadow 2.0. But yeah, you guys, I can't wait to show you. So in 3, 2, 1, again, and guys, so as far as putting the bumper on, difficulty, it was pretty hard, I'm not gonna lie. Assembling the bumper itself was kind of hard, I'm not gonna lie, and it's still not perfect. There's a little tab here and there that just doesn't want to, you know, click in, and I honestly don't know the reason for that, because I ordered it from Icon, so it should have been a good quality bumper. But in all honesty, you guys, I'm not so satisfied, and it's not to throw shade on them or anything, but I did have a lot of difficulty trying to put on the bumper. So I would definitely recommend that you guys, you know, look and see what you guys are actually putting on. Yeah, I appreciate it, man.
No mods underneath?
I mean, not really. muffler delete. That's pretty much time choosing one. But yeah, you guys, this is pretty much how the Camaro looks right now. I can't wait to show you guys rollers, but as of right now, you know, the whole quarantine stuff and, you know, the whole COVID really doesn't help for us YouTubers or the people that are trying to, you know, create some content. But check this out, y'all. Check that out. It looks really, really aggressive. I still have yet to put the Chevrolet logo, but I'm more than excited to actually do that in the near future. So without further ado, I'm gonna show you guys a little bit more clips as soon as I get home. And yeah, enjoy these pictures. Okay guys, so we just currently got home. Check out the car. I added 2 new stickers onto it, which is that Mexican flag sticker, which I'm extremely excited for because that looks awesome when taking pictures, and that magic auto to represent the people who supplied me with the vinyl. So, you know, go and check them out. Any vinyl needs, they're the ones who are gonna be your plug. But we personally installed this wrap. If you guys haven't checked out that video, you guys can go ahead and do so in the card that I believe is gonna be on this side of the camera right here. You guys gotta click that card up there, and yeah, there you go for you guys. You know, the ZL1 One Elite front bumper installed on the car. Can't wait to do way more videos with this. So let me give you guys another view of the rear here. Check that out with the massive 4-inch tips, which, you know, they can't really see how big they are until like you're here like in person and you really see how big they are, or like how much bigger they are from the stock ones. And you guys, the car is coming along nicely. I can't wait to do, you know, do a lot more stuff with it, lower it, all that. But before that, I'm gonna need you guys to subscribe and, you know, hit the like button. You guys need to turn on the notifications so whenever I drop a video, you guys can watch it. And without further ado, you guys, we'll see you guys in the next video. Keep tuned. Thank you so much for watching, and I love you all.